Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the first problem of exercise 3.1 from the linear equations in two variables chapter. So let's get started with the first problem. Question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I should be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, this is something interesting. Aftab tells his daughter that he was 7 times older 7 years ago and he will be 3 times older after 3 years. So we have to represent this algebraically and graphically. So first let's represent it algebraically. So for this, let us take Aftab's present age to be some x years, and his daughter, Aftab's daughter's present age to be some y years. So by that, we have x minus 7 equals to 7 into y minus 7. This I'll take it as some equation 1. And the next step, I take x plus 3 equals to 3 into y plus 3 to be some equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, we get the values of x minus 7y to be minus 42 and x minus 3y equals to 6 from the above equations. So this is some equation 3 and this is some equation 4. So the systems of the equations, say 3 and 4, represents the situation algebraically as we can see above. So let us take some points on the line 3 and 4, equations 3 and 4, and plot them on the graph. Two lines will meet at 42, 12 and some points on the line 3. These are some of the points that we can represent through equation 3 and these are that of the points which we can represent in equation 4. So x comma y, x coordinates can be 0 in the first case, minus 42 in the second case and plus 42 in the third case. For y coordinates 6, 0 and 12 in the three situations. So for the fourth equation, x coordinates can be 0, 6 and 42 and that of the y coordinates is minus 2, 0 and 12. So let's represent it on a graph. So this is a graph we have taken, constructed on here. The two lines intersects the y-axis and meets the x-axis as well, and one of the line passes through the origin. So to represent the given situation graphically, we have plotted the points, say a 0, 6, b minus 42 and 0, c 42 and 12 to get the line AB. So this is the line point A and this is the point B. So this gives us some line AB. So we have finished solving the first problem of this chapter. In my next video, you'll find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos.